Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Shazuni binti Zaitun and I'm going to introduce our group case study. For our group case study, we uses group data as a method where it separated data into a few classes and ungroup data classification methods to analyze shoes among the UTHM students. Group data is categorized into subgroups while ungroup data is raw. MOCT and MOD methods are used to analyze our data's mean, median, variances and standard deviation.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nura Shahira binti Harmizi Adipi. Today I will explain about our problem statement for our case study. The problem statement for the ungrouped data is we have been collected data using Google Form about what is the shoe size of student year 2 in Diploma Chemical Engineering and Technology at University Tun Hussein on Malaysia Pago. So the data shows that the survey about shoe size of student at University Tun Hussein on Malaysia Pago. So the population is all the student to the AK UTHM Pago and the sample is 30 of the student to the AK University UTHM Pago. For the group data, we have been collected the data from the past year UTHM 2020 subject Technical Mathematics 3 question 5. The table represents the time in minutes recorded of group of teenagers to complete a run in 5 km.
Solution for our ungrouped data started with searching for the mean. For the mean, we use the formula equals to sum of x over n, and from that we can search for the mean n to be 39.47. After that, we're going to search for the median and mode. But before that, we list out all the data from the smallest to the biggest. And to search for median, we use the formula of n plus 1 over 2 to find the place. And we got the place to be 15.5 feet place. And from that, we can search the numbers in between, which is 39 plus 39.5 over 2. And lastly, we got the median to be 39.25. And for mode, we take the data that has the most. And from the list, we can see that 40 has the data of 5. So the mode is 40. And after that, we proceed to search for the variances. And for variances, we uses the formula of 1 over n minus 1 multiplied by sum of x squared minus sum of x squared over n. And from that, we got the variance to be 5.50. And from the variances, we can search for standard deviation, which is we just square root the variances. And from that, we got 2.345. Next, for the solution for our group data, we also started by searching for the mean. And from the table, as you can see, there is midpoint and fx1. And from the data, we can search for the mean by using the formula of sum of fx1 over sum of f. And from that, we got the value of mean to be 24.32. Next, we're going to proceed to find the median, mode, variances and standard deviation for our group data. But before that, we're going to review our table first, which is for the class boundaries. First, for the lower class boundaries, we're going to minus the data with 0.5. And for the upper class boundaries, we're going to plus 8 with 0.5 to determine the class boundaries for each section. And by that, we can search for the median by using the formula of sum of fi over 2. And from that, we got the 100 place. And by that also, we can search the median by using the new formula, which is lower class boundaries plus sum of fi over 2 multiplied by sum of fm minus 1 over fm and multiply it by c. By using all that formula, we got the median to be 22.6. Next, we proceed for searching for the mode, which is we using the formula of lower class boundaries plus delta 1 over delta 1 plus delta 2 multiplied by c. For delta 1, we got the formula to be 88 minus 62 and equals to 26. And delta 2, 88 minus 16 and it got to be 72. And we insert all the information into the formula of mode. And for mode, we got the value to be 21.83. Next, we proceed to the variances. For variance, we're going to use the formula of 1 over sum of fi minus 1 multiplied by sum of fi square xi minus square of sum fi xi over sum of fi. By using that formula, we're going to add all the data and we got the variances to be 47.35. And as usual, from the variances, we can use it to search for our standard deviation. And from that, we're going to square root our variances and got the value of 6.88 for standard deviation.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Wardina Natasha and I am going to talk about the result and discussion. So, for the ungroup data, we actually collected the data from student to the AK and we succeed to get 30 responses to answer about their shoe size. And after we review the data, the range of shoe size between student to the AK is between 36 to 43. So once we collect the data, we proceed to calculate in order to find the mean, median and mode. And after all the calculation, we figure out that the median is the smallest value among the three. So this resulting the graph to be skewed to the left, which is median is less than mean and less than mode. So the graph is going to be skewed to the left. Next, for the group data. So, as we already stated in problem background, we actually collected the data based on past year paper from subject Technical Mathematics 3. So, the question is about how to solve the problem, which we have to find the time in minutes for a group of teenagers to complete the 5-kilometer run. So, as usual, we have to find the mean, median and mode. But it is quite different from the previous one, which is ungroup data. For this group data, the formula is quite different. We have to find another data in order to complete the calculation. So for mean, it's quite the same. We have to find the mean like usual. For the median, we have to find the lower class boundary for median class, cumulative frequency, frequency for median class, and size of class. As for mode, we have to find the lower class boundary for mode class, difference between frequency before mode class and after mode class, and lastly, we have to find the size of class. So that's the differences between the ungroup data and group data. So this is resulting the data to be skewed to the right because we figure out that mean is less than median and less than mode. So the graph will be skewed to the right.